Hello, friend. I just woke up and I decided to make some more pickle serrano. This pickle serrano is perfect to pair with guitiao, and I'm about to make some more. I'm making small batch. This is 8-ounce glass, and I'm gonna slice it up. សួស្តីបងប្អូនខ្ញុំទៅងើបពីគេងមិញហ្នឹងឥឡូវហ្នឹងងើបហើយធ្វើជ្រក់ម្ទេសសម្រាប់ញ៉ាំជាមួយគុយទាវ Okay, you just slice like so. It is so beautiful outside, nice and breezy. Today is 80 degrees here in California. The neighbor's dog is barking. Throw this in the garden. These are so easy to make. And not only with katil, you can pair them with your stir fry, whatever dish you want to enhance a little kick to it. This is the perfect pickle pepper you want. You can just fill it up. I'm gonna bring a couple more. Okay, I have 3 more pepper to slice just to fill up the jar. ដាក់ស្ករស1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, អំបិល1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill up with vinegar. You can use any vinegar you prefer. Okay, fill it up to cover the pepper, and that's it. Let me see if I can find the cover. Okay, I got the cover. Okay. Keep in refrigerator. It will be ready to consume tomorrow, and it stay fresh for 2 months. ដាក់ក្នុងទូត្រជាក់ណាបងប្អូនបាន2ខែដែរអរគុណ